In the tranquil Noorabad village, a serene tableau unfolds as children frolic and villagers engage in their daily routines. Maulana Kareem, with his gentle presence and profound wisdom, illuminates the minds of his students at the local madrasa. The air is filled with a sense of calm and enlightenment as knowledge blossoms in the heart of the village. Under the relentless sun, Bilal toils in the fields, each movement burdened by unspoken resentments. Pausing to wipe the sweat from his brow, Bilal questions the value of knowledge beyond the horizon of his fields. What's the point of studying? Bilal bitterly questions his need for broader horizons. Why do I need to learn about the world when all I'll ever do is till this land? In the dimly lit madrasa, Maulana Kareem, his face a map of wisdom, sets 2 lamps before his eager students, a lesson waiting to unfold. The children exclaim with naive certainty, "The shining lamp, Maulana," as the Maulana prepares to reveal the deeper meaning behind the light. Knowledge, the Maulana proclaims, is the shining lamp that guides us from darkness, while ignorance leaves us stumbling and lost. Bilal's brow furrows in thought, a flicker of understanding igniting in his eyes as he grasps the profound power of knowledge. Years later, a wiser Bilal guides the construction of a grand madrasa, a beacon of hope and learning for the village. Children eagerly step into the newly built madrasa, their innocent faces illuminated with the promise of knowledge and a brighter future. Bilal's smile reflects his unwavering dedication to enlightening future generations.